Hello everyone, I hope you are keeping fine health. The topic of today's class is refraction of light through a rectangular glass slab. Refraction is quite similar to the reflection, but for the reflection you require a smooth shining surface that should be reflecting. But refraction do not require any such reflecting surface. So in this video we will discuss the definition, reason, notation. So in the definition they discuss that when the light passes from one medium to another, either it bends towards normal or away from normal. It's depend upon the type of medium we are using. Suppose in the blank surface air is the medium and the light passes from air to the denser medium, that is the glass slab. We know that the particles of air are very far away. Air is an example of rarer medium. On the other hand, glass slab, diamond, etc. these things, as comparing to the gases, these materials have very tightly packed particles, and due to this, these type of material they are called as denser medium as compared to the gases. So the refraction concept included that when the light passes from a rarer medium to denser, like when the light passes from air to the glass, you will see a slightly bend in the ray of light. Actually the light should be passed very straight, but due to the change of medium, the speed of light decreases, and due to the decrease in the speed of light, the ray it actually bends towards the normal. The angle I1 is the angle of incidence. Angle R1 is the angle of refraction. Now suppose the light is again it is passing from glass slab to the rarer medium, that is air. Now we observe that when the light passing from denser medium to rarer medium, the speed of light really increases, and due to this you will see light should be passed in this manner, but it should be bent away from the normal. So this is the case of again refraction. Angle I2 is the angle of incidence because this is the second case, and you can observe that angle R2, this is the second angle of refraction, this is very big as compared to the incidence. So this is the case of refraction of light. Now what is the reason behind these refraction? As I told you, when the light passes from rare to denser medium, the speed of light it decreases. That's why it bends near to the normal. Similarly, when the light passes from denser to the rarer medium, the speed of light increases. Due to this, the light bends away from the normal. For first case, Wx is the incident ray, Xy is the refracted ray. But for the second case, Xy is the second incident ray and Yz is the second refracted ray. And for learning the image formation by convex and concave lenses, refraction topic is very much important. So in the next video we will discuss about the refractive index. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and please share the video with your friends and classmates. Thank you so much.